How you can maximize the amount of fun you have while camping. There are 3 common types of camping: tent, RV and cabin rental. Each of these types of camping can be great fun. No matter the type of camping trip you plan to take, you need to prepare for just about anything. Read the guide below to learn how to make your camping trip as enjoyable as it can possibly be. Although it is not an essential part of your backcountry camping gear, a machete is something that you may consider packing depending on where you are going. It is a very versatile tool in the wilderness. You can cut a trail, hack bamboo and vines for shelter, cut coconuts for water, chop firewood, and even use it as protection against wild animals. Did you know that a simple mirror can save your life? If you are camping and end up in a survival situation, a simple handheld mirror can be used to signal for help many miles away. Do not buy the standard glass mirror. Many camping supply stores sell mirrors made of Lexan that will float and are practically unbreakable. Although you might assume the woods will offer you plenty of firewood for your camping needs, nature may surprise you with rain-soaked logs or wood that will not easily ignite. It's always a good idea to take along some wood of your own and keep it in a dry place. Always take more water than you think you will use when you go on a camping trip. Many times, people forget how much water is needed. It is used for drinking, washing dishes and hands, cooking and even brushing your teeth. Water is not something you want to be without. This guide can help a camper of any level find new ways to prepare for their camping trip. Use it as you plan your next excursion and you are sure to have the time of your life. Plan, prepare and enjoy your very next camping trip this coming camping season. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.